fire broke out in the galley. A fire broke out in the galley.
Affirmative. A fire broke out in the galley. Conduct initial firefighting. Sir, I received a report. A fire broke out in the galley.
Okay, I'll be there at the bridge. Attention all heads, attention all heads, attention all heads. This is a drill. This is a drill. This is a drill. Fire in the galley. Fire in the galley. Fire in the galley. All heads proceed to your master station.
Count off.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. 5 is the last number, sir.
Bridge, this is firefighting team. 2 fighters are ready to combat the fire. AB Matre and OS Magainon.
Okay, copy. Start the firefighting.
This is team leader. This is team leader. The fire extinguished. I repeat, the fire extinguished. Over.
Okay, copy. Fire is extinguished. Check for sign of ignition and cause of fire.
Bridge, this is the firefighting leader. There is no sign of ignition and the cause of fire is due to faulty wiring. Over.
Copy all teams. Drill dismissed.